Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the functionality of to_frame function. So why we are using this function and what is the need of this function? Now let's discuss. See, it is used to convert the series object to a data frame. Here is the code. Here I have made a series object and this is the output of the series. But I want to convert the series into a data frame so that we are able to see the data as a table in rows and columns. So we use this function to_frame function by providing the name to a column, that is numbers. So this is the output as a data frame. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.